Hello, my name is Vagna. I'm a student in grade 8. I live in Pupe Village, Phnom Commune, Smiley District, Sindhia Province. I study at Man Long Secondary School. I like that, but I don't like yellow. About
Animal?
about animal. I like snake, but I don't like tiger. About
Sport?
About sport, I like football, but I don't like volleyball. I am a student.
Yeah, in grade 8.
I am a student in grade 8. Now together. Thursday. Ngày vừa khuya.
បាច់បកប្រែទេថ្ងៃទី
The 7th of August. 2025. Let's learn more. តើពួកយើងរៀនបន្ថែមទៀត A. Practice the words. Swimmer. អ្នកហែលទឹក baseball player. អ្នកលេងវាយកូនបាល់ volleyball player. អ្នកលេងបាល់ទះ runner. អ្នករត់
Gymnast
gymnast. អ្នកហាត់កាយសម្ព័ន្ធ football player. អ្នកលេងបាល់ទះ